I just actually made a realization that as you're watching this, this is the 10th anniversary of me putting up my first video on YouTube. And it was a video about commercial propagation in a greenhouse operation. At that time, I had my nursery and garden center location. I was selling at the farmer's market, and I really didn't have any intentions with that video other than I just thought it was maybe something that people might be interested in. They're still watching that video, which is an interesting part of this channel overall, is that the videos that I made from the beginning until now are still being watched because they were horticulture based videos of how to do things that really doesn't evolve or change necessarily over time. Then I started making some videos of just individual plants. And what I was doing there was just trying to make videos that would help people, you know, with those, either make decisions for plants they were purchasing or help them once they did purchase them. So it was more about somebody coming to my garden center and me going, hey, I have a video for that. Thank you very much for coming. I had made some other videos for my website and had been complimented a couple of times, you know, over the years about some videos that I had put on. I probably should have had those on YouTube originally, but I didn't. Just plants that were in the nursery, various things from the nursery that were on my, my company is actually called Earthworks. That was my landscape company, my nursery, and it still is my company name, actually, although this channel is called HortTube with Jim Putnam. And then suddenly people started watching those videos from other places. So it became, you know, it was like, is this something bigger? I don't know. I was in the middle of transitioning, closing my nursery, and I have some additional property, which we still have actually, that I was planning on moving the nursery to. And I got into that process and I was like, hey, you know, I've built a nursery before. Maybe I don't want to build a nursery again right now. I'll just have the garden center. And then one thing led to another, and here we are 10 years later. Instead of, you know, being in the nursery business and the garden center business, I am with Steph here in Raleigh on this property with this many flowering things, talking to you guys and teaching gardening after 40 years of having done this, of having gone from working at a garden center. I talked about this in a video several weeks ago. This 10th anniversary of the YouTube thing happens to coincide with my 40th anniversary actually in horticulture. You know, one thing led to another. I've been just kind of observational all my life, you know, as this was unfolding, and I got to work for various, I would almost call them thought leaders a little bit, you know, in organic, whether it was organic lawn care or whatever it was. And then my time on my own, you know, just being observational. And here we are again, like it's the strangest evolution that could not have happened in the 10 years previous to this 10 years. This didn't exist. And so, you know, I want to make sure that I thank you guys. You know, I can't thank you enough for this opportunity that we get to continue to do this. The most important thing for me has been through this entire thing is that I continue to learn. It would be very easy to sell the nursery, sell the landscape company, sell off the garden center, and then go, hey, I'm good, I know everything. But we've been able to, because of you guys, continue to visit nurserymen, continue to visit plant breeders and gardens around the world, gardens around the country and the world, and continue to learn and evolve. And through your help, a lot of times there's a comment down at the bottom of a video that triggers something in my mind, because again, I am a person who is still molding myself. You know, I don't want, you know, I don't think there's anything that's kind of nothing. I don't think it should be locked in place in your mind. You know, you should be able to be, you know, to evolve on some things, and we were able to do that. One of the big things about this was a lot of the plants I grew in my nursery were not necessarily things that would have 10 years forward ended up here in this garden. Some things just because most nurseries are going to be fairly specialized, right? You're going to be, you know, woody. My nursery was mainly woody shrubs. I did grow a few herbaceous perennials, but for the most part, it was woody shrubs. Things like this gardenia next to me, or Clayera, you know, some small trees, that kind of thing. So it's super, super specialized. So this has also been the fun part of it for me, is that I get to 1,000 plants in a garden rather than 100 plants in a nursery. You know, you have to go to a lot of nurseries to cover as many plants as we have in this single garden here. So I know I'm probably rambling here a bit, but I was just trying to thank you guys so much for this 10-year run that we've had making YouTube videos that we enjoy making, and we absolutely, you know, it's super, super lucky. I say this to people. People ask me all the time, you know, how's it going, whatever. I said, I get up every day and I get to talk about plants. And I get to talk to an audience who's interested in plants as well, and interested in how to grow them and how to evolve a garden space from new construction through to a garden that benefits. You know, there's a dozen bees over here to my right on a salvia this morning. As I'm standing here talking, you know, that's distracting me over there. That's, you know, this garden, that's what this garden is for, right there. The birds, the insects that are in the background. You know, it's late. We're filming this in August. August 18th was the date of the first video that went up on the channel. This is the time of year the insects are taking over in the background of the videos. A little bit of bird noise, but if you listen to the videos back in the spring when the birds are doing their thing, you know, this is a garden that is for not just us. It's for every, you know, for all the animals as well, and the insects and the birds and all those kinds of things. So enough rambling. This video is meant to thank you guys for a amazing 10 years on YouTube, from no intentions whatsoever, no intentions of actually having being a YouTuber or being a full-time on YouTube. Didn't even know at that time that other people were making videos like it. That's the funniest thing about that, is I didn't even know. It was more of a storage place for my video content, because the website was expensive to store video content on. I'd kind of run that. That's the only reason I wasn't continuing to do it on my own website. It was almost a storage thing. And then all of a sudden you guys start watching from all over the place, and thank you guys so much. There's over 2,000 videos on the channel. They're divided into playlists on the channel. If you want to go back and look, you know, into certain groups. That very first video was a propagation video. There's a whole propagation playlist on the channel. In fact, we shot a propagation video recently that may be up before this, may be up after this. I don't really know. So thank you guys so much. Our website is HortTube.com, and we have Learn to Garden video series, weekly garden planner over there that are $30 off through the month of August, and t-shirts available as well. All of those things help support this YouTube channel as well. Thanks for watching.